Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're all about fish. We'll show you some of the ingredients that we use in our kitchen to make the perfect marinade. In our kitchen, we love to use fresh ingredients. So here we have some basil, rosemary, garlic, green onions, bell peppers, and lemon. Have your food processor ready. Add all the ingredients to the food processor. Put in your lemon juice, some salt, and also some olive oil. These are the ingredients that we use. However, feel free to grab any of your favorite fresh herbs and add to your marinade. We process all the ingredients for under 2 minutes or until the ingredients are nicely blended into small pieces. Add the marinade to a bowl that's big enough to fit all the fish. We're going to add some olive oil, some oregano, and chili flakes to give some extra flavor to our fish. This marinade is very versatile. It can be used for chicken, for pork, or to add to your stews. Our next step here is to add our fish to our bowl, and here we'll make sure that every piece of fish is fully covered in the marinade. When this step is complete, place the fish in the fridge for up to 30 minutes or longer before using. Here are some simple cooking tricks. You can place in the oven or pan fry with some butter and olive oil, or you can also put on your barbecue grill. If you've enjoyed this video and it's been useful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and look out for the next video. Thank you.